Hi everybody, thank you for joining me. I am going to air this tonight while I'm at my in-person class so that you still get a video while I'm doing my class in person. My in-person class I am making available as a to-go class, so if you don't live close by and you can't come to, or you're busy, I know my team member who wanted to come is having surgery today, so we are all saying a prayer for you, Miss Juanita. She is doing the to-go version when she feels better. So I do have that as an option. Tonight's class, we are using Pretty Pumpkins and Inspired Thoughts for 2 projects each. So that is available for $20, or you can purchase at least $30 in product through this week with the host code. And I will post that host code down in this video. I do have another class available right now. My Beautiful Friendship class is available right now. That is this one here. You get to make 8 cards. That one is you get paper, ribbon, an embellishment. The stamp set bundle is extra. That is $28 for that video. You get a video and card kits in the product. And then if you want the bundle, I believe it's $85 for all of that. So those 2 things are available right now if you're interested. Other than that, I hope everybody's had a great week. I had a wonderful weekend. I had the whole weekend off, which was a first. I have not had an entire weekend off in a long time. Went to a wedding. My nephew got married and it was beautiful. Got all dressed up, my husband and my daughter and I, so that was fun too. We haven't all gotten dressed up in a long time, so it was great for that. I'll have to post a picture. It was kind of fun. Other than that, just busy at work. But I have a couple days off, so looking forward to this week. My husband wants to work on cleaning out our basement, so that doesn't sound like fun though. But we have so many boxes stored up and all kinds of stuff, but it needs to be done, right? Just got to figure out where to take some stuff. That TV set we haven't used in forever, so it's one of those old, it's not like a flat screen, it's old TVs, and we haven't used it eons. I got rid of the Wii to my one child, so don't use it. So all right, well, I want to make this card with the Pretty Pumpkins. Love this stamp set. I'm not big into fall stamp sets, but I really do like this stamp set. It's very nice, and I mean, it is fall, but I feel like you can use it for a lot of things. I don't think it has to be, it's not like Halloween or anything. I think it's just a nice fall card. So let me turn the camera. All right, so we're gonna make this little card. It's a very simple card. We're gonna use some Early Espresso. This is 8.5 by 5.5, my favorite card base. And we're just going to fold it in half. I have no idea where my bone folder is. I think I only have like 4 of them. And we're going to put it on some basic white. On the inside. And then I'm using the beautiful, forgot what it's called, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. And then I use the, I believe it's Color and Contour die. I found with this Stampin' Seal Plus, if I, oh crap, you know what? Probably shouldn't have put that down yet. Ooh, I'm gonna get very lucky. Ooh, I did. So I want to put this down, but I want to put ribbon around this, so I don't want this down yet. Because I'm going to stamp on this with my pumpkins. I don't know what it is about me and always putting things down before I mean to. All right, so I'm putting a piece of scratch paper because and so this is early espresso for the pumpkins, and then I'm going to use pumpkin pie for this little squiggly. And this piece of paper, this one measures 2 5/8 by 3 7/8, and it'll fit right inside the dotted lines there. And then I'm going to use this bumblebee. Here they are. And I'm going to take a couple pieces of tape here, and I'm just going to maybe now we can put it down. Ooh, got very, very lucky. All right. Now I'm going, this is one of those Color Contour dies again. And I think I stamped this in, I believe, Garden Green. I think I'm going to send this card to one of my customers. So I want lots of dimensionals because I'm going to put it over that ribbon. And then, of course, I'm going to tie a little bow. Just like that. There we go. Now I have two. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial using pretty pumpkins. Have a great week. Talk to you guys later. Bye.